Hey YouTube, hey you guys. So right now I'm walking to Cavendish and basically we'll be having a Microsoft event because I'm gonna wear a Microsoft t-shirt. But the event is not like today. The event is tomorrow, and yeah, I'm taking you guys along. I know the previous video we had like the Microsoft event at Cavendish, and as a result of that event, we had like a new student ambassador from Cavendish University, Samuel. So I'm tired. I've been working for like 5 minutes now. So we'll be having his events, like the first event that he's having. So we're going to like prepare the venue for tomorrow's event. And that's how we're going right now. So you guys, let's go to Cavendish University and prepare for tomorrow's event. Yeah.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Anyway, I remember the last time I was here, we had the event in this room. This is where we had the event from. But today, we're meeting from here. Okay, guys, so I've arrived slightly earlier. Very early, so I'm just like waiting for the team to come. Yeah, then we start preparing for the event. Drop my bag right here and going to wait a little bit for everyone to come. So yeah, about tomorrow's event, I'll be one of the guest speakers. Yay! I'll be sharing my experience on how my journey has been in the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program. So yeah, I wish you guys can attend that. We'll be having a campus tour this year, so you guys are interested in attending one of the Microsoft events that I've been hosting or that my fellow student ambassadors will be hosting, I'll share the Facebook group in the description so that you guys can sign up and learn more from the Zambian Microsoft student ambassadors. So you guys are just waiting for my friends to come and yeah. Which are we going to this one? We are here. We moved to a different venue. The same spot that where is my camera? Okay, so everybody's here, and this is the venue where the event is going to be happening from. And we're just gonna do the setup, and yeah.
Guest black wants to get at me.
fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery
Okay,
stick,
this is good.
and sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe.
Hey you guys, so we are done with the preparations and everything is set for tomorrow, and Cavendish here tomorrow. So that's it from today. I'll see you tomorrow and coming for the event. Bye. YouTube, hi guys. So today is the 2 and today is like finally the day of the event, and this is me trying to walk and meet one of my colleagues, a new student ambassador. So we're going together to Cavendish. I've had a very busy morning. I've been moving up and down. Oh yeah, so you guys, this is like a plus from Microsoft, and I don't mind the sound in the background. There's like a truck behind me just now. This one right here. Anyway, so trying to get on a cab, and we hit Cavendish University. So let's go, you guys. Let's go. I'm excited. Huh? Say hi. Anyway, guys, we're finally by Cavendish, and this is Cavendish University. Okay, so from this before we get started, I'd like to find out how many students are from Cavendish. Okay, very good. Do we have anybody from any other university? Anybody from NIPA, everyone? No one. Huh? Okay, Zambia. Okay, so I'll give a brief introduction about myself, but I'll just say a little bit about Microsoft. This is a welcome in different languages. Okay, so the Microsoft mission is to know every person and every organization. That's why we're here today having this event. So my presentation is basically focus on what I've done in the program. I'm the first God ambassador in Zambia, and I've really learned a lot throughout the journey. So I thought, okay, what topic can I share with you guys? Some of you have searched through my previous presentations. I've talked about how you can apply to the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program. I've talked about web development and Microsoft Power Platform. Okay, so the community for students ambassadors. Sorry, just a quick question. How many people are not students in here? Okay, we have a hand. Alright, great. How many people? 4 hands, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me just say 10 people. Alright. With the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program, we have the program managers. So for the people that asked about the ones that are not students, I'll get back to you as we go on the slides. So Pablo is always in charge of all the students' data and log, and Corey, Teresa, and the others. So for Africa, our CPM is our, for those that are in Zambia, those that are in South Africa, those that are in most of the different countries, and Asia as well. A little bit about me. My name is Linase Nyunda. I'm the Student Ambassador. We finally at the last stage. So the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program lasts for 2 years. Immediately you get enrolled, say you're in first year, second year, you have to be in the program for 2 years. And I just graduated from Muza. I did my ICT education. Those from Muza, you know, the university has got like different schools. It's for engineering, for science. So the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program lasts for 2 years. immediately you get enrolled, say like first year, second year, you have to be in the program for 2 years. And I just graduated from MUSA. I did my ICT education. Those from MUSA, they know the university has got like different schools. It's for engineering, it's for mining. So my program was under school education. So for me, before I became a Microsoft Student Ambassador, I was an ambassador for FISU. How many people know about ZUSA? ZUSA games. Anyone? Okay, we have a hand. So for ZUSA, there's a federation that's in charge of all the sports that we have in Zambia. Rugby, baseball, chess. So I used to work on the accreditation for the past 4 years, from first year to last year. So now, being part of the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program, I'm kind of working on community building. I've been doing mentorship programs for girls in STEM. We have more than, I would say, 30 events. Some of them are ambassador for FISU. How many people know about ZUSA? ZUSA games. Anyone? Okay, we have a hand. So for ZUSA, there's a federation that's in charge of all the sports that we have in Zambia. Rugby, baseball, chess. So I used to work on the accreditation for the past 4 years, from first year to last year. So now, being part of the Microsoft Student Ambassador Program, I'm kind of working on community building. I've been doing mentorship programs for girls in STEM. We've had more than, I would say, 30 events. Some of them have been on the Coca Belt. Some of them have been here in Lusaka. So if you're interested in mentoring girls, and not just girls alone, but boys as well, for those that are doing computer science or software engineering, let me know. Enjoy the opportunity. Okay, so recently we had over 386 student ambassadors that just got to work. That was January, and now in Zambia at least we have 5 student ambassadors because of the Microsoft Student Ambassadors that we have. How many people attended the event? We had the Microsoft Night of the Party, it was held by UNZA. It was the first time Zambia had such an event. So with the Microsoft Ignite After Party, anybody can host it. Now imagine we have all these big tech companies in the country, and no one made a move to host an event. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is, from the new student ambassadors, how many people are present today? Okay, we have 2 new student ambassadors. We just recently. So globally, we have over. Okay, look at the back, can you see? A new path, for example, again, focus on software engineering, the learning materials that you can use on the platform, and they're already available. Remember the question I asked, for those that are not students, you can still take up those courses, and then I'll share coming up slides. So we have the alpha stage. We did the apply program with the alpha stage. You have to host an event. You have to do a check-in for. How many people know how to use GitHub? Who have used GitHub before? Okay. So you have to create a GitHub account, and then you have to do a check-in for onboarding, get to get accepted in the program. It's not really that hard. You can easily get through for you to move to the beta stage. And the last stage is the gold stage. That's the stage that I'm at right now. Luckily, I managed to reach the last stage. So with the gold stage, there are lots of opportunities that are there. When you're at the last stage, you get nominated for a few things that I'll talk about in the next slide. Okay, so I'm going to share with you program operations that are involved in the Microsoft Student Ambassador. Once you've applied and you've gotten accepted, what do you expect after that? So the new thing that has come out today in the Microsoft Student Ambassador, this was launched last year, somewhere in July. From the time I joined the program, they never had this. So you get to have a URL with your unique ID. I know most students from Valley University have your own customized emails, right? With numbers at the end of the word. So with the Microsoft Student Ambassador program now, you get to have like a URL where you put a number and you share that with the blog post and other things that I talk about. I recently had my cloud skill challenge. I don't know how many people signed up at the day. Okay, so I shared that on my LinkedIn. it would be good if I can connect with you guys and share the things that I've learned, so you to be able to see certain things that I'm working on and I have projects. As well as the Microsoft Students Trainer. If you're new to programming or you're learning a project management role, there is a new thing that Microsoft has launched for student ambassadors. You can learn on how you can maybe talk in front of people, how you can build up your skills as an individual. And these are some of the important things that I'll share with you guys. They're applicable. Immediately I share the slide with you just to read through. And then I'm pretty sure some of you might be wondering, okay, I've never hosted an event before. Once I get accepted in the program, what do I do? So, as I said earlier, the ones that have used GitHub is a platform where you have access to all the workshops and how you can go about engaging with other people, and how you can host your event, how you can engage people in that event, and then all the sites are just readily available for you to and being a Microsoft Student Ambassador has a lot of benefits. You actually get to have, when you reach the beta stage, like I said earlier, there are how many stages that you go to? 4 stages, right? So when you reach the beta stage, you actually receive the box, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can easily just search and box in beta package, you can Google that, just a lot of videos go up. The other thing that Microsoft has put up in the program is a mentorship program. Imagine how many people are doing computer science today? Okay, just a question for you guys. The time you're applying for computer science, did you talk to somebody about it? Yes, yes?
Yes, I did.
You talk to somebody. You are guided to know the program is. But I got to know the program, what to expect, what career paths to take, right?
Yeah, sure.
Same thing with the Microsoft program. Immediately you get involved, you have so many questions. So they're now partnering, you have students, with other students, what you have in the program, and you have access to somebody who's gone before you. You have a clear guidance on what you can do and what you can do in the program. Okay, and as you are going on with the journey of you being an ambassador, there's what's called project feedback. There's some data they put up and suggestions on how you have a this is what I've done so far, maybe in 6 months, and you don't know what to do. So there's like a feedback form that you actually fill in. In that feedback form, you just have to read it your best. You're like, okay, this is what I've done, this is what I've done, and these are some of the reviews of what people say. Then when you know this. Can you get him? No. Just speak up so everybody. Sorry.
I don't like to use social media networks, and I don't know what to share.
Okay, so some of the feedbacks here, they're just students like us, this room, and they're giving back on this feedback. So immediately you put up that information, the program managers and everybody in the program gets to know what you're thinking and how best they can help you also in that program. And then there are new opportunities right now that you can take up with the Microsoft Summit coming up for everyone, as long as you're a student, you can sign up. Even those that are not students, you can still sign up for that. And currently, there are training programs, the group studies. And the thing is, it's not just us here in Zambia, the entire globe where you have access to anybody who's in India, anybody who's in South Africa, any country mentioned, you group with those people. And you start learning, you're like, okay, me, computer science here in Zambia, maybe I don't think what you're learning, or I don't understand how I can go about this. Or for example, you want to sit for the Azure exams, there are groups and everything that they kind of put up, because those things were not existing before, and from the feedback that students were giving, they put up these programs now. So with the certifications, the people that I asked, the ones that are not students, if you'd like to take out one of the certifications from Microsoft, the platform is really free, and you can just sign up, create an account, and get started. So the ones that are students currently in the Student Ambassador program, this is what's going on. There's a fundamental program going on where you have to learn to build up your other skills and based on the certifications. So how many people have used Microsoft Edge? So when you create your URL, we have like access to a lot of resources. So on the bottom, when you're trying to write an exam, you have access to this. So these are just like screenshots of different student ambassadors across the globe. And these are like their positions and their certifications that they are earning. Okay, so just got a screenshot so they can show you since we won't be able to do the live demo. So when you go to the Microsoft website, you'll be able to have access to depending on your own schedule, and there are also resources that you can take up. Whether it's there to launch, you can just sign up and start doing at your own pace. And for me, I signed up for the virtual training for those underdeveloped students. The virtual trainings that Microsoft conducts anytime, depending on your availability, it might be 01 or 02, anytime, because it's an entire job having these events. So I signed up for this training and I'm having my exams coming up next week, Friday. So if you're wondering, you're like, okay, how do I sit for these exams? There's ZCAS. ZCAS is the Center for Writing Web Exams, and there's also the British Council, which is some kind of exam. Or you can pick up the exam on PC, but then it's a little bit tricky with your PC because they don't understand the environment. You have to be in a room where there are no people, and to work quiet. So on the device,
Yes,
right? Okay, did you get what he said? Just tell me what he said.
I'm saying also I wanted to exactly be the space on this application, right?
So right will find the place, which is this, right? Okay, so the last thing, when you get to the last part of the Microsoft Student Ambassador program, you actually get to be related to the Azure partnership. But recently, December, some of my friends who are in the program, they got nominated to become Microsoft. Okay, the people that write blog posts, but people that become cloud advocates, and any other thing that you can guess for them. And the bloggers, how many people write blogs in here? Or anybody who's written a blog? No one. Completely. Huh? Okay, we have a hand. So again, what do you So for him, once he joins the program, he can start writing blog posts and published on the Microsoft website. So like the blogs that you could write in just the way they want to be, they just blog blog posts. And they're really useful. They kind of put you on the spotlight, and people are interested to find out what you're writing about. There's a guy I've been talking to from Kenya country. He writes blog posts, just like he does, and he's now waiting for writers because of the blogs that he's writing. So with the idea that I talked about, when we are sharing the URL, to pop up with blog posts, to pop up on any anything that you're putting out online. It might be a video, it might be an article, it might be anything that you are interested in, and you can hear the URL. Okay, so currently these are some of the things that are taken. So anybody, whether you're a student or not a student, you sign up for these AI fundamentals and prepare for your certification. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be a Microsoft Student Ambassador for you to sign up for this. It's completely free, and you don't have to pay anything. And the other opportunity that's taking place in March with the Microsoft Student Summit that will be coming up with different speakers, people who are certified. I really advise that you guys just sign up and pick up all the topics. The other thing, how many people are ahead of? Or what comes to your mind when you think about local development?
I think local development is where you run your certain apps on your machine alone.
I think I can just take an example. Local development is developed using tools like Scratch, as well as starting new apps when it's writing the text code.
So another example right there.
You said no code.
There's no code and no code. Develop. So there's this opportunity this month, this February, almost February. So with February, Microsoft right now, they're teaching how to develop apps. Imagine being able to develop an app within 2 minutes and you're done. How many people think it's possible? It's not possible. Can you develop an app within 2 minutes? No, yes. Okay. So there is no code where you use Microsoft Power Apps or not even develop code that within a short period of time. Hopefully, one of the events we're going to organize will give you a demo on how you can do that within a short period of time. And you're done. Okay, so how many people are on LinkedIn? Okay, so the people on LinkedIn, you can easily search for the Microsoft we have a group which has over 40,000 people. They talk about whether a student or not a student, you can still join the LinkedIn group. My advice for everyone in this room is to join that group because there are resources that you can make use of. For me, I had a lot of opportunities because of attending events, talking to people, seeking for mentorship and guidance. But the moment you talk to someone, you might like something new that you thought you've never then. For me, as an engineer, becoming a doctor, but I ended up realizing because of mentorship and talking to people and getting advice, what you're doing, I really advise you guys to take this out and okay, so that's it for my presentation and a few things that I want to share with you guys today. So if you have any questions or you're interested in applying for the program, the link is just there. I'll share the slides with everyone at the end of the call. And if anyone has a question, you can ask.
As an associate student ambassadors, get to know what other students are doing for, and also interact with people who are already working, find out their experience working. Because as a student, you really don't know much about how work is. You know about the school curriculum, but the actual work you really don't know, and you don't want to spend 6 months on the job training on what you're supposed to do. Right? Like, it's good to be ready in before time. And as I said, as a student, you have so many options and so many things that you can make use of for your benefits. If you can, I'm on GitHub and I'm very active there. You can follow me there. I think I mentioned this great account there. Start from there. This is, when you're going to apply for a job as an accountant, you ask you for a CV, right? When you're applying for any jobs as a software engineer, they ask you for a GitHub link. Trust me, every single company is going to ask you for this link. If you do not have it, they're not going to give you a job because this proves how long you've been writing code and also your experience or how many projects you've written. So if you don't have this link, no one is going to hire you. I have been, I think I've worked at like 3 or 4 companies where I was interviewing people, and this was one thing that we highly considered. So please create an account there and start using it. If you don't know how to use it also, you can reach out to someone. You can arrange a time when you can also dive deeper on how that can be used. Any questions?
Building the app now. So here to say create static web app, so creating resource group, right? So that's what we are doing now. So we're actually now deploying the app as a static web app. So we just wait for a message later. So it can say failed to upload or it can say successful depending on how we are putting it out there. Okay. So when we following the instructions, we're following the guidelines, is the app working properly, is everything in the right folders and all that. Okay? So after you finish, here it's now saying create static web app should succeed. Okay? So it means we have successfully deployed our application on there. And if I give you the link right now, you are able to have access to the website. and be able to show them any URL that you have. So what I'll do is that I'll just go static, and you can even see when you go on this part, when you just click, right, it's actually loading what we named the application is doing shortly. Okay? So I'll just open that and be able to view it in the browser. So you right click, then you say browser.
You get to run with that. You have better chances of getting the desired. So if you can do this with the computer pass, there are many career paths that you can take from that. Yeah, there are many career paths. But let's say your desired career path is software development, if you want to major in cyber security, and when you just graduate like that, and you're not having anything that is pointing to that.
So you guys, the event was good, and we're just making good photos outside Cavendish, and okay, see you, bye. So yeah, the event is done and Cavendish is like right there. And you guys, that's it from my vlog. I hope you sign up for one of the events that I'll be hosting or the future events. It'll be good to see you. And yeah, that's it from the Microsoft Ignite. No, from the Microsoft events.
All elastic, but maybe there's magic.